So hi everybody, this is Bert with Team Training Institute, and this sweet lady right here is Stephanie Pruitt, and she works for Davis Dental in Louisville, Kentucky. And in January she attended our Hygiene Diamonds Hygiene Explosion training, and she's had some really great observations about that since then. So Stephanie, why don't you share with us what you've learned and how this has changed for you?
Okay, the most important statement that was made during the Hygiene Explosion program in January was when Bert made us take a self-evaluation of how we are as hygienists clinically on a daily basis and ask the question, are you watching your patient get worse with their oral health care, or are you doing something about their problems? And I was watching people get worse. And that was hard to accept, but I did, because if I didn't accept it, then patients wouldn't improve in their oral health.
Right. So a funny thing happened yesterday morning. I walked into the cafeteria at this hotel, and Stephanie was sitting in the corner, and I didn't really know her. I know her a lot better today, but she screamed my name, Bert, and she came running up to me and threw her arms around my neck and said this.
I am so much of a better hygienist because of Bert's classes
and Wendy Briggs teachings, right?
Yes.
Yeah, and so we just finished today periodontal explosion, right?
Yes.
And so this is all new material. So tell me your thoughts at the moment on what's going to happen with that when you get back.
Okay, what I've learned today will make all of us even better hygienists, because we learn more time management with how to do SRPs with shorter time by working smarter, not harder. We learn more about coding and how to get the dental code paid by the insurance company with the less resistance, and how to get patient acceptance on the oral health care that they need.
Okay, and so periodontal disease is all about biofilm now, right?
Yes.
What did you know about that before today? Was that a new term for you?
No, it wasn't a new term, but I didn't understand as much about it as I understand about it today. Okay. And I understand more about it today to explain it to the patient better, so they will understand what's really going on in their mouth.
Okay, good. So we've learned how to talk about gum disease in relation to health. Mm-hmm. Right, not just
Correct.
oral health, but
Correct.
into health.
Correct.
So, yeah, it's a great day, and I'm glad you enjoyed it, and I'm so glad that you were here. I loved having you here. Her energy is just contagious. I just love her.
Thank you.